Hello friends, today's topic Forgotten Shares Bumper Profits. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Educational Society. Recently, a person mentioned on an online platform that he found share certificates of JSW Steel which his father had purchased in 1990s for rupees 1 lakh. The person was shocked to find out that the shares were valued at rupees 80 crores today after holding it for more than 30 years. This is the example of some of the share certificates. Most likely, it looked like the person's father had forgotten about the shares after buying it. This could be the reason that you could have held the shares for such a long time without being tempted to sell. In fact, when we keep observing the stock prices going up, we are likely to sell much earlier than if we don't frequently observe it. Another incident which had become viral recently was how a man from Chandigarh, Ratan Dhilan, found a physical certificate for 30 shares of Reliance Industries Limited bought in 1988. After considering 3 stock splits and 2 bonuses, the original 30 Reliance shares would now amount to 960 shares valued at roughly Rs 11.88 lakhs. Similarly, last year, a Chandigarh doctor, Dr. Tanmay Motiwala, posted a photo of a share certificate online on Twitter and stated that in 1994, his grandfather had purchased 50 shares of SBI at a price of Rs 10 per share and invested a total of 500. Recently, he found this share certificate when he was consolidating and organizing all the assets and investments of his family. This is the State Bank of India share certificate. His family never sold the shares. In fact, it was forgotten that such an investment was made until it was found recently that the family was organizing things. After bonus and split, the capital appreciation over the last 31 years, today's value of rupees 500 invested in 1994 in SBI share is more than rupees 4 lakhs. This works out to a huge profit. Although the amount of 4 lakhs may not be big today, the percentage returns received on investment is huge. It shows the power of compounding over long periods in good companies. In fact, SBI was the largest bank in India even 30 years before. Hence, it was not some unknown company. Since around 25 to 30 years, there was hardly any computers and no internet. It was not easy to know the value of shares. Hence, the grandfather must have kept the share certificate in some file and forgotten about it. In today's age, people check the value of their investment every few hours on their trading app. It will take much higher levels of discipline and patience to make huge returns in this age since the general patience level of the people has decreased and we are used to getting everything instantly. There are many such cases of stock market investments made and forgotten and later found out by family members. There could be similar cases in your family too. Check with the elders in your family whether they have made any such investment and forgotten about it. It may be shares, bank deposits, land, or any other investment. To find physical share certificates, they have to be dematerialized with the help of a share broker and converted into electronic form before you can sell or hold them. Some lessons from these real life examples. 1. Even average companies can give very good returns in the long term. 2. Monitor your stocks regularly. But if you are doing well, don't be tempted to unnecessarily book profits. 3. Inform your family members about investments. Otherwise, there is a possibility that they may never know about your assets. Here is an announcement. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ಗಳು ಲಾಭಕರವೇ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ for all channel members on 11 June Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. At the end of the video, here's the question. Has your family found information about some investment made by elders after many years? Yes or no you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.